Good morning, CThompson here at BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. Again, another great, beautiful product, 2022 DRV Mobile Suites. This is the Houston model. A great floor plan. I've sold a lot of them. It's a really good full-time or long-term stay. It is the new style with the new end cap, with the LED lights. Big, huge basement. Motion sensor light, so when we walk up to it, it automatically comes on. Thick baggage doors, 3 1/4 inch thick walls, big furnace, 6-point auto leveling system, box tube frame, 2x6, 2x6, 2x3 down below, so 2x15 triple stacked box tube frame. Don't know anybody else that's doing it, not saying there isn't, but that's what I know. Strongest frame out there. If you even notice, stand back and look at the jacks, they're kicked out at an angle, so a whole lot better support for a heavy vehicle, which this is because it's made tough. Come on inside, walk up these solid steps, really nice. Beautiful interior colors, well lit, very nice appearance. Probably one of my favorite color combinations for being in the Northwest when we got a lot of cloudy weather. But nevertheless, it really lights it up with the lights, with the light color, with the dark accent. Lots of windows. Nice little desk area if we're still doing some kind of work from home or on the road, or just want to make that the computer desk. And, you know, if you're one of those people that are taking that with you. Theater seating. Nice furniture. Built-in charge port for your phone. Plenty of lights. MCD day and night roller shades. Dual pane insulated windows, dimmer switch for our zone areas, one being living room, one being kitchen, one being bedroom, all with ceiling lit zone dimmer switches. Lots of cabinetry over and above. Nice couch at the end with the end tables on both sides with plug-ins and lots of electrical outlets there. The entertainment system, we're looking straight across from one side to the other, not elongated ways, so easy access to be able to watch the big screen TV. New style here that does now have the access that folds the TV out, and we have storage in behind, or we can watch TV while we're cooking dinner. The sound bar down below, fireplace, puts out lots of heat, lots of cabinetries. Now, even on the new version of the DRV Mobile Suites, not just the drawers being soft touch close, cabinet doors are soft touch closed with a nice, good magnet catch. And then a little drawer here, all soft touch. Overhead cabinetry, nice and deep. Little pantry with adjustable shelving, I can adjust those. Then we have another area here with adjustable shelving, backlit with the glass, backlit there, appliance garage with the plug-in in the back end. So if we want to make the coffee maker, the toaster, the everyday use, it's there when we're done. Out of sight, out of mind, no longer see it by day. Big counter area, large 4-burner cooktop with the biggest oven in the industry. Again, solid backsplash, more cabinetry, residential microwave convection, big drawers, nice clear plywood drawers. You know, I'm not afraid to rub them, not going to get slivers. Dishwasher in the island, plenty of cabinet space in the island as well. Double sink, residential faucet with spray nozzle. Got the sink covers to go over the sinks. More cabinet area over here. All underlit lighting here. Toe kick lighting in the island. Big garbage can here for 30, gosh, that's probably even bigger than 13 gallon. That's a big garbage can. Out of sight, out of mind with all the drawers. Big residential refrigerator. This is going to have the side fresh water filtered system. to get our fresh water, as well as our filter up here. And when we go outside, this has a full house filtration system for the whole house. So we're double filtered for our refrigerator water, as well as having the big freeze and ice maker. We're only halfway done with this house. Half bath here, set up for a 2-piece or a combo washer and dryer. Window in the bathroom, fan in the bathroom. Nice sink area with vanity. Plenty of room in the half bath. Control panels right when we walk in the door. Now, one thing that breaks this away from anybody else that I've seen, these guys use the Garnet sea level tank monitors, so we don't have the diodes on the inside of the tanks to get our tissues clogging it, giving us false readings. This is going to give you a good accurate reading all the time. Built-in surge protector, power control system, heated holding tanks, Wi-Fi Ranger, all of above, lots of stuff. Closet at the doorway, pre-wired and prepped for our satellite system here. We do if we want to add a satellite dish. Nice pocket door into the bedroom. Very heavy, solid door with glass inlay, frosted glass. King bed. Opposing slides in the bedroom, nice deep at the head of the bed. And then our dresser drawers are on a slide out. It's a narrow slide, but an inch seems like a foot in an RV, so it does give us lots of room and plenty of drawers. Windows on both sides, overhead cabinetry, individual lighting, USBs and 110 plugs on both sides of the bed, storage under the bed. Another TV with entertainment system, built-in soundbar in the bedroom, DVD player, nice backlit lights, fantastic fan above, multiple air conditioners. This is going to have the new shower, very, very nice with the stool and the soap bar dispenser rack there. So in the Houston, we're going to get macerator toilets. So we got macerator toilet up above, which just means our dumping system on this unit is going to be so much easier because it's going to all be liquefied. Dual sink, cabinetry, again toe kick lights, plenty of adjustable shelving and cabinets, walk-in closet. I'm sure you've probably seen some of the TikToks that my videographer does where he actually lives in one of these closets. Cedar lined, built-in safe, hang-ups around the corner, drawers, more drawers on the other side here. Again, nice mirrored doors here. So if we're getting dressed, if my videographer is putting on his dress, he can see how it looks. Fantastic fan in the bedroom as well. Come on outside, I'll give you a quick tour around the outside. This is fun. You know, when I really like a product, it makes it really easy to sell through the process and to have the knowledge on how it's built. And it's just a beautiful product when it comes to building structures. So if you have any questions, I'm going to give you my number at the end of the video. Make sure you contact me. I'm not gloating, but I do know this product pretty well, just because I'm so happy to have the product available to sell. So dual power awnings, front and rear with the aluminum encasements. This is partial paint, but it is clear coated over the top, so I don't feel any lines between these colors because of the clear coat overall. Triple axle, all disc brake, 17 5-wheel and tire, more ride independent suspension. A little bit of outside storage there. The new rear end cap with the receiver hitch, newer style taillights, built-in ladder, power cord reel. Ever try to wrestle one of those 50 amperes when it's below 40 degrees? It's like wrestling an alligator. Access to the back side of the fridge and to Maybe if we're going to winterize it, undo our water system and unplug and plug in the refrigerator. More storage there. This one was ordered with the Truma tankless water heater. Nice upgrade. Our control panel here for our exterior. Notice here this has black and gray tank flush, not just a black. The other side, when we look at the basement, there's the full house water filtration system, there's the copper manifold system, the wool insulation, everything we talked about in this that makes it stand out from just about any other product out there. If you want to compare with other products and think there's something equivalent, give me a call, let's talk about it, see which one you like best. 10-gallon bottles on the propanes or 40 pounders. Pull-out tray. Easy disconnect too if we're going to do that long-term stay, maybe have a bigger propane bottle outside. There's a valve, there's a valve inside here that's really easy to undo and hook up to that larger tank if want to. Separate control system exterior, so as I'm unloading from the truck, I can control my tongue height here and be able to see my truck. If I'm back here behind in the basement, I can't see that. So they just gave us another place to make life easy, you know. More ride pin box, one of the best pin boxes in the business with the rubber cushion. This is going to have the new design up front as well. So it has the 4 battery pull-out tray for batteries instead of the old style with 2. Battery disconnect, inverter for the refrig, and pre-wired and prepped for a generator. So I know that was really quick running through this, but it is rather cold out here in the Northwest today. But if you have any questions, make sure you call me direct. My cell phone number is 541-979-1770. If you catch me, I can get you all the answers. If you call a different number, might not get all the right answers. Give me a call. CThompson, BISH'S RV, Junction City, Oregon.